Hello everyone, we are solving grade 8 mathematics chapter number 12 factorization of the CBSE. Exercise 12.1 question number 2. Factorize the following expression. Second example. First I have already uploaded, check it. The question is that 6p minus 12 cube. So here we need to factorize first of all. So 6p can be factorized. So 6 can be divided as 6 is the even number, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Or better way, 6 and 12 are the multiple of each other. I have divided 12. 12 is a even number, 2 6 are 12. 6 is again even number, 2 3s are 6 and 3 is the prime number itself, 3 1s are 3. 6 can be factorized as 2 into 3 and p is the variable, write it as it is, as the power as a 1. So 12 can be factorized as 2 into 2 into 3. We always write down the factors upside down. So 2 into 2 into 3 into again q is a variable, write it as it is because q has the power 1. Now the common factors are 2 and the 3. So only two factors, common factors are there, 2 and 3. Now we will take its product, that is 2 3s are 6. So come with the example. 6p minus 12q. Factors of the 6p is 2 into 3 into p taken from here. The factors of the 12q is equal to what? 2 into 2 into 3 into q. We have already taken the common factors as 2 and 3. So 2 is taken out common from the here and put it here. Then again 3 is the common factor taken out from here and write it here. So what is left here now? This is the only p. What is left here? 2 and q. That is nothing but the 2q. So 2 3s are 6 and in the bracket remaining p minus 2q. So 6p minus 12q equals to 6 into the bracket p minus 2q, and that is the our factorization. Thank you so much. Keep on watching and subscribe the channel. Thank you.